Sebastian, welcome. Tell me a little bit, if you would, about the work you're doing at Kompas.
Absolutely. So Kompas is a venture capital fund that focuses on the decarbonization of the built environment and the manufacturing industry and increasing productivities in those industries. So we are really trying to fill the pipeline of innovation in order to really accelerate the trajectory to net zero. That's our role.
Which technologies or innovations are you most excited about at the moment?
Yeah. So I'm very excited about a recent investment we've made in a company called Material Evolution. They've produced a low carbon cement that has an 85% lower carbon footprint compared to conventional cement. And what they do is really quite transformative because it really allows you to pour a foundation and really have a tangible impact on the built environment. The built environment contributes about 40% of CO2 emissions, and materials like concrete, steel, aluminium are about 25% of all of our emissions. So if you can decarbonize those materials, that's a big win for the environment. We've also invested in software solutions to decarbonize the supply chain, to really make sure that manufacturers can produce and design more sustainable products. There's a wonderful company called Makerside, for example, which does that with some large manufacturers, and is really a great tool to understand if you make changes to your product, what will happen to your supply chain, what will happen to your costs, what will happen to your CO2 footprint. And it allows you to continuously improve your product and accelerate your journey towards net zero.
Where is the industry on its decarbonisation journey, and where do you see it heading in the future?
Yeah, I mean, look around you, right? This is used to be a very political conference, and now it's really a conference where I think industry is showing a lot of leadership. When you talk to industry representatives, everyone really starts to create a narrative about how they can contribute to net zero. We are obviously investing in some of the enablers to make that possible, but it's really, really great to see that we now have a constellation where business is kind of leading the way. I'm personally very excited about that.
Sebastian, thank you so much.
Thank you.